Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will discuss the teaching methodology ka last portion, that is Swayam, Swayamprabha and MOOCs etc. These are the IT based higher education quality education system. We will see that, and last videos we discussed different methodologies and methods of teaching process. So you just go through that, and this is the last video about teaching methodology, and 2-3 portions are left in teaching aptitude that we will cover on upcoming videos. So you just follow it. And what is SWAYAM? SWAYAM is a study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. So this is a full form of SWAYAM. So please remember this. And it's an indigenous. SWAYAM is made in India. Okay, indigenous IT massive open online courses. That is MOOCs, MOOCs. It's a massive open online courses. Okay, and it's a platform for providing best quality education that can be accessed by anyone, anytime, and anywhere using the IT system. So there is no age limit. If you want to study in 60 or 70 when old people or young people can access this through IT based system. So anyone, anytime, anywhere using this SWAYAM education platform. The concept of massive open online course involves online delivery of interactive learning content to large number of people simultaneously. Okay, in the anywhere, not only in India, you can access from outside the India also, abroad countries also. So same time it can access massive number of people can access this system, and it allows sharing of best quality education with everyone, thereby bringing in equity as far as the quality of education is concerned. Okay, it's a platform. SWAYAM is a platform is developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development. So please remember these points. Full form of SWAYAM, and where it developed, it's a made in India and is developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD. Okay, and All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, with the help of Microsoft. ये तीनों एक साथ मिलके स्वयं का एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिया है, MHRD, AICTE and Microsoft. Okay, it ultimately capable of hosting 2000 courses and 80,000 hours of learning, and covering school, undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, law and other professional courses also in this SWAYAM. And all the courses on this platform are interactive, prepared by the best teachers in the country, and are available free of cost to the students in India. It's totally free. If you have a computer or smartphone, you can access from anywhere, anytime. You can use the SWAYAM whatever you want to study. It's all the professional courses, that is school level to professional level, undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, law and other professional courses also covering under this SWAYAM platform, right? And more than 1,000 specially chosen faculty and teachers from across the country have participated in preparing this course. Okay, so a very quality faculties and a quality system is used in this platform. Okay, and it developed in the developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development, All India Council for Technical Education, and with the help of Microsoft. So please remember this point. And the platform is using for SWAYAM is massive open online courses, MOOCs. Okay, and there is separate website also for the SWAYAM I mentioned here, and also I will put it in the description box also. You can access the site of the SWAYAM if you have if you want to study more subjects and more related. Even you can choose this UGC course also from the SWAYAM website, and your topics like your main topics, paper 2, you can access from the SWAYAM. Okay, so please go through the website, and once you just see what is SWAYAM. Okay, and there are 4 quadrants in the MOOC pedagogy. It's a video tutorial covering the whole course, normally having about 20 hours of instruction in series of lectures. Each lecture not exceeding 30 minutes. Half an hour का lecture होता है. It's a video tutorial. It's covering in the MOOC platform, and it's an e-content. E-content means e-resources, right? It's a reading material that could add to the learning imparted through the video tutorials. And self-assessment, quizzes or assignments that interpret the course. You can your own self-evaluation, you can do it through this platform. And discussion forum for posting queries. And all the courses delivered through SWAYAM are available free of cost to the learners. However, students wanting certification shall be registered, shall be offered a certificate on successful completion of the course with the little fee. The certification fee is there, otherwise the SWAYAM course is totally free, right? And second one is Swayam Prabha. This is the 32 educational DTH channel. So इसको बोलते हैं Swayam Prabha. It's a combined channels, that is 32 educational DTH channels. That is Swayam Prabha. Okay, the Swayam Prabha is a group of 32 DTH channels developed to telecasting of high quality educational programs on 24/7. Always you have available these things, and basis using the GSAT 15 satellite. Okay, so GSAT 15 satellite through it is doing telecasting the higher quality education system through the you can access through your television, right? And every day there will be a new content for at least 4 hours, which would be repeated 5 more times in a day, allowing the students to choose the time of their convenience. The channels are uplinked from BISAG Gandhinagar. Okay, and the contents are provided by NPTEL, IITs, UGC, CES, IGNOU, NCERT, and NIOS. These are the higher education institutions that is providing the content for the Swayam Prabha. The InflipNet Center maintain the web portal InflipNet. Okay, all of you know this. This is all technology based. बच्चों को टेलीविजन के साथ पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हैं. It's always available है 24/7 है. It's using GSAT 15 satellites for the telecasting, and it's including total 32 DTH channels, and the contents are providing NPTEL, IITs, UGC, CEC, and IGNOU, NCERT, NIOS. These are the providing the contents, and the channels are uplinked from BISAG, BISAG, Gandhinagar. So please remember these points. You can expect one questions from Swayam and Swayam Prabha and MOOC also. And I hope you cleared all the things. And it's either DTH channels covered. What all the things are covering the DTH channel? Curriculum based courses content covering diverse disciplines such as art, science, commerce, performing arts, social sciences and humanities subjects, engineering, technology, law, medicine, agriculture, etc. In higher education domain, all courses would be certification ready in their detailed offering. There is also a certification program. And school education 9 to 12 levels modules for teacher training as well as teaching and learning aids to children of India to help them understand the subject better, and also help them in better preparedness for competitive examination for admissions to professional degree programs, right? So curriculum and courses that can meet the need of lifelong learner or Indian citizen in India and abroad. IIT PAL to assess the students in the class 11 and 12 aspiring to join IITs by encouraging scientific thinking and conceptual understanding critical to answer the tough questions of JEE and advanced, so that good quality students enter the portal of IITs. The 4 channels under this would be on mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology. So nowadays all the study materials are available through televisions and your IT based MOOCs platform, Swayam platform. You can access all the information. Pehle only books the abhi no need for any books. All the information in the fingertips are available. Okay, and not only the school level system, also higher level and professional courses are also available, and it's all the free of cost. And in higher education, it's a MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, is responsible for the overall development of the basic infrastructure of higher education sector, both in terms of policy and planning. Please remember this ministry, it's very important in higher education. And some points, important points I just mentioned, you just remember that. Okay, like GSAT and DTH channels के बारे में, and in what all things are providing contents for the Swayam Prabha, and these all like the things. And in Swayam also I just underline some points, you just remember and go through that website in the Swayam. You will get more information about Swayam. Okay, it's a government website. I just put it in description box, please follow it. Okay, and here our teaching methodology system is winding up. If you have any doubts in teaching methodology, please put it in the comment box. And from next video onwards, we will start the teaching support system, that is traditional, modern and ICT based. We'll discuss the next video. And 2 or 3 topics are left in the teaching aptitude unit, and after that we will start the research aptitude. Okay, thank you.